Today, we're going to see some popular ways to prepare rosemary to take advantage of all of its benefits. Rosemary tea. Making rosemary tea is simple. All you need are dried rosemary leaves and water. Put 1 cup, use 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary and a glass of water. For 1 cup, you'll only need 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary and a glass of water. To prepare it, first boil the water. Once it reaches a boil, add the dry rosemary leaves and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Afterward, turn off the heat and let the tea sit for a few more minutes. Finally, strain the liquid to remove the leaves. You can enjoy rosemary tea hot or cold. It's safe to drink up to 3 cups a day for a few days in a row. If you're having just 1 cup or drinking it occasionally, you can enjoy it more regularly. Rosemary tea helps reduce gas and bloating during digestion and acts as a diuretic, reducing fluid retention. It also has natural antibiotic properties thanks to its medicinal benefits. Rosemary alcohol. Rosemary alcohol is commonly used for massages and external applications. To prepare it, start by measuring about 200 grams of dried rosemary. Next, place the rosemary in a tightly sealed container and submerge it in 1 liter of alcohol. It's important to shake the container once a day to help release any air bubbles. After 10 days, filter the mixture to remove the leaves, keeping only the rosemary-infused alcohol. Store the final product in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Using rosemary alcohol for massages is effective in reducing joint and muscle pain, whether from injuries or specific discomforts. But before we continue, let's put you to the test. Which of the following benefits is commonly associated with the consumption or use of rosemary? Improves visual health, relieves sore throat, promotes digestive health, increases muscle mass. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. Rosemary shampoo. Another way to use rosemary is by applying it to your hair and scalp. When using rosemary for hair care, you can enhance your shampoo with fresh rosemary sprigs. To do this, start by adding a few sprigs of fresh or dried rosemary to your usual shampoo bottle, preferably one that is fairly neutral. Allow the small sprigs to macerate inside the bottle because this will enable the rosemary to release its beneficial properties into the shampoo. Alternatively, you can add a rosemary infusion directly to the shampoo bottle and shake it well to ensure it's properly mixed. Either method allows you to use it regularly. Rosemary improves the health and overall appearance of both the hair and the scalp, providing moisture and helping to prevent hair loss. And going back to the question we asked you before, the correct answer is C. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.